In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a white label domain for your agency account in GoHighLevel. This can be a fantastic way to customize the appearance of your platform, making it distinctly your own. Let's dive right in and explore each step carefully to ensure a seamless setup, and by the end, you'll be prepared to present an entirely branded experience to your clients. First, make sure you're logged in as the agency owner. Your journey begins by accessing the agency view, which you can do by clicking the top left switcher. From here, navigate to the settings menu and then to company settings. For the white labeling process, scroll down until you see the white label section, a crucial area for the branding customization you're aiming for. In the white label domain field, you'll need to carefully type out your full subdomain. It should look something like appopticyourdomain.com. Once you have that entered exactly as it should appear, click on Update Company to save these details. Next up, we'll personalize the platform further by uploading your agency's logo. Still within the agency view and under company settings, locate the logo section. Here you can upload your agency logo. Try to use an image with the recommended dimensions of 350 by 180 pixels, ensuring it doesn't exceed 2.5 megabytes in size for optimal performance and appearance. Once your logo is uploaded, simply click Save. This step is crucial for maintaining brand consistency and allowing your agency's visual identity to shine throughout the platform. Now that your domain and logo are set up, it's important to include legal URLs to ensure compliance and professionalism. Again, stay on the same company settings page. You'll find fields for the privacy policy URL and the terms and conditions URL. Paste your privacy policy link into the first field and subsequently your terms and conditions link into the next one. Don't forget to click Update Company after entering these links. This step is essential for safeguarding your agency and clients by openly displaying your legal policies. Finally, it's time to test your branded login page to confirm everything is set up correctly. Open a new incognito window in your browser and type in your newly set up subdomain at https://appyourdomain.com. You should now see GoHighLevel's login page fully equipped with your logo and branding as you intended. It reflects a professional and cohesive look for your clients. If an SSL certificate isn't active yet, there's no need to worry. SSL configuration might take around 15 to 30 minutes, so just be patient and try accessing your domain again a little later. And there you have it, a beautifully white-labeled domain for your GoHighLevel agency account. By following these steps, you've effectively personalized your GoHighLevel experience, setting the stage for a seamless, branded interaction for your clients. Thanks for tuning in, and happy branding.